Well, it's wintertime in Montana again, which means I'm back to driving. In the shafts is my coming 5-year-old bay stallion Riggs, and we are ponying his 3/4 brother, a coming 3-year-old bay gelding, Mozzy. These guys are both by Awesome Roni out of Rolling Jack's Copper Daughters. Riggs goes back to Lonesome Drift 045 on the bottom and has another shot of High Rolling Roni. And Mozzy goes back to Zangold Jackson on the bottom and again has another shot of High Rolling Roni and Applejacks. These two are some pretty cool dudes. Riggs is a solid ranch horse, and he's become a fabulous cart horse as well. And Mozzy has about 15 rides, and I've kind of just been leaving him alone, letting him mature a little bit over the winter, and I just started playing with him again, so he's coming with. I'm pretty sure this was his first time coming along with the cart, but he had been ponied before, but he did really well. Riggs is sharp-shod, and Mozzy is barefoot here. But they just cruised right along, and I am flying the drone, driving the cart, and making sure Mozzy's behaving all at the same time, so if my footage is a little bit erratic, that's why. But I was pretty happy with how some of these clips turned out. I had to be careful not to run the drone right into Riggs's face. I was right at that altitude for some of this. Riggs is such a nice guy. I don't even have blinders on him. He's super gentle, and I'd rather that he can see. I think driving him with blinders, he's a little bit more nervous because he can't see, but he sure does a nice job without them. And Mozzy, he's just traveling right along with us. He's going to be a really nice horse. Him and Sonny are my coming 3-year-old geldings right now, and Sonny's out at work, but Mozzy's at home. Fun watching these guys trot along. A couple of super nice peas in a pod. I was really lucky getting this harness for Riggs. It's just an old school leather harness, and it fits him perfectly. And that collar works for him awesome as well. I really lucked out. I'm driving Riggs in a Pelham bit. I'm pretty sure I picked it up at an Army surplus over in Idaho Falls for like $5 or $8. It was pretty cheap, but I'm sure glad that I grabbed one because it works perfect for him for driving. Riggs cruises right across the ice here. He's sharp-shod, but he's still careful, and Mozzy hurries across. I really like these horses. Gene and Jan Hedelvid in North Dakota are their breeders, and gosh, they have a nice program. These Awesome Roni horses have just been absolutely fabulous and so much fun. I'm excited to get some more time on Mozzy in the coming months. He's a really nice colt. He's going to make a really nice one. Come out here and turn around. Once again, I'm having to fly that drone and drive and everything, so bear with me. I tried getting a shot of the side of us here as we trotted along. These guys are sure fun. I ought to start another horse in the shafts at some point. It's been a while. 'Cause We roll up here and stop. Couple of good boys.